Good news for math and science teachers. You can now easily use mathematical and scientific characters and symbols in BookWidgets. It was already possible to use fractions, exponents, square roots, and other scientific characters in most question types within the worksheet, split worksheet, quiz, and video quiz widgets. These examples show that BookWidgets is a great fit for math and science classes. Now, let's take a closer look at how these questions were created. They use LaTeX, a system that lets you type mathematical formulas and special symbols using simple code on a regular keyboard. That code is then converted into clean, professional-looking scientific text. If you are new to LaTeX, it might feel a little intimidating at first. In the past, you had to do quite a bit of research or rely on converters to get the formatting right. But now, it's much easier. Here's an example. This is a multiple choice question with several correct answers. You can see that I am using LaTeX in both the question and the answer options, but I haven't added the correct answers yet. Let's say we want to add 1/4 as an answer option. We're going to try to add this answer. You might already know this. To enter a math formula with LaTeX, always start and end with $2 signs. Then type \frac, followed by curly brackets for the numerator and denominator. This creates the fraction. But there's an easier way. I'll start over. I still begin with $2 signs, but this time, instead of typing the formula, I click on the yellow box that pops up. From here, I can just select the symbols I need. No code required. And it gets even better. In the next question, I have already written the task with LaTeX, but watch what happens when I switch to rich text. Now the math symbols appear right away. No LaTeX coding needed. You can also go to Insert Equation to quickly add more math characters. By the way, this last question is an equations question type. You'll find it when you add a new question in the second to last row. This question type lets students respond with math characters. We hope this update makes things even easier for math and science teachers using BookWidgets. Let us know what you think, and don't forget to share this video with your colleagues.